over the list. Greeting ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and all present here. Myself Ambika Burwa from Government High School Amduba. Today my topic of seminar is Artificial Intelligence Potential and Concern. Let's start. We have gone a long way from worshipping Moon and Mars to today going Moon and Mars from Chandrayaan and Mongolian. From diagnosing and operating critical disease by humans to operating disease by robots. From reporting news by humans to reporting news by robots. Example, AI news reporter named Lisa in OTP, Odisha. From finding question answer on books to searching these on artificial intelligence platforms like Google, Wikipedia, ChatGPT and Meta AI. We have come a long way on the basis of development of artificial intelligence. History. In 1956, John McCarthy called the term artificial intelligence or AI. He is known as the father of AI. In India, AI is first introduced in 1960 by H.L. Mahabharata. What is AI? The term artificial intelligence consists of two words. One is artificial, means which is made by human, and another word is intelligence, means the ability to think like humans. Therefore, artificial intelligence is defined as a branch of computer science that deals with the study of making intelligent and efficient machines which can bear, think, learn, and understand like humans, and are able to take decision action correctly and rapidly. AI is a broad field which machine learning, which can use machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Machine learning. It is a subset of AI use advanced algorithms to detect patterns in large data sets allowing to machine learn. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which uses neural network for in-depth data processing. Generative AI. It is a subset of deep learning models that generate content like text and images. Types of AI. First, narrow AI. This type of AI is specialized for specific tasks. It is programmed for. Example, virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa, recommendation algorithms on Netflix or Amazon, and image recognition software. Second, general AI. AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence similar to human intelligence. This type of AI is hypothetical. Third, super intelligence AI. AI that surpasses human intelligence including creativity and emotion intelligence. This type of AI is so hypothetical. Working process of AI. AI works by combining several techniques includes data collection, means collecting data, then data processing where the data is clean, then machine learning where AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data, then model training where the data processed to create a model, then model deployment where the trained model receive input and make decision, and lastly feedback loop where AI system receive feedback on its performance to improve its accuracy and efficiency. Potential of AI. The potential of AI is vast. Here are some key areas where AI is making significant impact. Healthcare. AI can analyze genetic data and patient records to detect disease only than human doctors. AI can accelerate the drug development process. Can predict treatment plans to individual patients based on genetic makeup and lifestyle. Education. AI can provide customized learning experience adapting to student pace and style of learning. It can automate administrative tasks, freeing up educators to focus more on teaching. Agriculture. AI can optimize the use of resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides, leading to higher crop yield. It can analyze satellite image to monitor crop health and predict harvest. Transportation. AI is the backbone of self-driving cars which can increase mobility for people unable to drive, and it can optimize traffic flow in cities by analyzing data from various sources. Concern of AI. AI will offering numerous benefits also raises significant concern like job displacement. Both AI can create new jobs and it can also displace workers in industries where AI is automation. Job displacement. Both AI can create new jobs and it can also displace workers in industries where automation can perform tasks traditionally done by humans. Privacy. AI system often require vast amount of data which can lead to privacy violation. Misuse of AI. AI can be used or audio. Lack of regulation and governance. Due to the lack of regulation and governance, the use of AI lead to unintended harms. Conclusion. The concerns surrounding AI are as significant as its potential benefits. Addressing this concern require a multi-stakeholder approaches including policymakers, researchers and public to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that is ethical, fair and beneficial for all society. Thank you.